Recording clinical hours using a handheld device is really easy. Once you log in, you just scroll to the bottom of the screen and you'll see quick hour log entry. You simply choose the day that you're logging for and the time in and out. Now notice the timeout will be the time right now, and it backs the time in back 2 hours. So adjust that accordingly. Say you were there longer than 2 hours, so you just adjust it an hour and 2 hours and 45 minutes in this case. Choose your preceptor, choose the site where you were and perhaps the location on that site. So we're at the pool. We were, say, doing swimming and diving, and what kind of activities we're doing. Well, we work with female athlete and male athlete and whatever else you need to put there. And the last thing, of course, is to put your SOAP notes or your journal entry or comments, whatever it is that your program requires that you put in terms of chronicling, documenting what you did during this time. And then you click the Add Log Entry. It's that easy. Now, you can also keep track of your hours by looking down here underneath the hour log summary, and it'll keep track of all the hours that you've accumulated so far, as well as those that are still awaiting approval.